Hi, my name is BC Hoffman with Chef BC from DC Catering, and today I am going to show you how to make a virgin White Russian. White Russian classically is vodka, Kahlua, and cream. We're not using any alcohol in it. So you have to know what's actually in Kahlua. Well, Kahlua is a coffee-based liqueur. It also has hints of corn syrup and vanilla in there, and it's rum-based. We're gonna tweak it. We're gonna take a little bit of vanilla extract. We're literally gonna take one dropper, about 1 teaspoon, drop it right into our cocktail shaker. Then we're gonna take our milk or cream, and I am going to use 4 ounces. So we're literally taking 1 bar spoon, let's make it 2 bar spoons, into our vanilla and cream-based tin shake right here. Now with the coffee, we are going to take 2 ounces and just measure that out. You can use your trusty jigger. You can use your measuring spoon. We're gonna give that a nice hard shake. And we're gonna take our glass, throw some ice in there, just pour right over top. What we're gonna then do is we're gonna add another 1/2 ounce of our coffee, just for appearance sake, right there. And lastly, but not least, we're gonna take some white chocolate, and we're literally gonna take a zester or microplane, shave it right on top there. We're gonna then take a blowtorch, and we're gonna melt that white chocolate right there on top of the glass. You have yourself a wonderful cocktail.